Now let us discuss the next property of next law of exponents, that is fourth one, the division of exponents with same base. Now for example, 5 to the power of or 6 to the power of 5 divided by 6 to the power of 3. So then we get 6 to the power of 5 by 6 to the power of 3. So this equals to 6 to the power of 5 means 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 6 to the power of 3 means 6 into 6 into 6. Here 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 get cancelled. We get 6 to the power of 2. Then 6 to the power of 5. The 6 power 2 can be written as 6 to the power of 5 minus 3. So 6 to the power of 5 divided by 6 to the power of 3 can be written as 6 to the power of 5 minus 3. Now if you take any other example, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 5. So this equals to 2 to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of 5. So this equals to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 3 2's get cancelled. Then we get 1 by 2 square. So then we get 2 to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of 5 equals to 1 by 2 square can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 5 minus 3. So 2 can be written as 5 minus 3. So 2 to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of 5 equals to 1 by 2 to the power of 5 minus 3. Now if you generalize these two examples in terms of a, m and n, so then a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So this equals to a into to a m times. So by a into n times. If here m is greater than n, then we get a into m minus n times. Now this can be written as a to the power of m minus n. So this is if m is greater than n. So for a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n if m is greater than n, or a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals to 1 by a to the power of n minus m. This is if n is greater than m. Now what happens if m is equal to n? So if m is equal to n, then here we get, if m value is 3, then n value also 3, then a to the power of 3 by a to the power of 3, this equals to a into a by a into a. So we get a get cancelled, we get 1 as a quotient. Now let us take the next law of exponents. So that is dividing the terms with the same exponent. So that is, if for example 3 by 5 whole to the power of 4 is there. So then dividing the terms with the same exponent, So if 3 by 5 to the power of 4 can be written as 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. So then this can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here 3 is multiplied 4 times, then this is written as 3 raised to the power of 4 by, if 5 is multiplied 4 times, then this can be written as 5 raised to the power of 4. So we can write 3 by 5 whole to the power of 4 equals to 3 to the power of 4 by 5 to the power of 4. And this can be generalized as a by b whole to the power of m equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Now if you prove this, a by b whole to the power of m equals to a by b into a by b into a by b into a by b m times. So this equals to a into a into a into and so on into a. So this is m times by b into b into b into to b. This is also m times. So this equals to a to the power of a into a into a m times a to the power of m by b into b into b m times. This is also b to the power of m. Therefore a by b whole to the power of m equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Now let us see the terms with the negative base. Terms with negative base. So before taking the terms with negative base, first let us take the term with base 1. So if 1 to the power of 2 is 1 into 1 equals to 1. 1 to the power of 3, 1 raised to the power of 3, 1 into 1 equals to 1 itself. So then if 1 to the power of 4 equals to 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 equals to 1. 1 to the power of 5 equals to 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this equals to 1. So 1 raised to any power, 1 raised to any exponent is always 1 itself. Now let us see the minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of 1 equals to minus 1, and minus 1 whole power 2 equals to minus 1 into minus 1 equals to minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1, and minus 1 whole to the power of 3 equals to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 equals to minus 1, because minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, and minus 1 whole to the power of 4 equals to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 equals to plus 1, because minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, again minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 ones are 1. So then minus 1 whole to the power of, when you take the odd power, then the product you are getting minus 1. So minus 1 whole to minus 1 raised to odd number equals to minus 1, and minus 1 raised to even number equals to plus 1. So if minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1, and if minus 1 to the power of even number is plus 1. Now let us see what is the exponent, what is the value of the exponent with the negative base as minus a. If minus a whole to the power of n equals to a to the power of minus a to the power of n, if n is odd number, and this equals to plus a to the power of n if n is even. Now let us see an example for this. Minus 3 whole to the power of 5 equals to minus 3 to the power of 5. So this equals to minus 3 to the power of 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this equals to minus 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81, 81 3 are 243, minus 243. If minus 3 whole to the power of plus 4 is there, then this equals to, here power is 4 is, exponent 4 is even number, so we take 3 to the power of 4, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. Now let us list all the laws of exponents one by one, which will be helpful while solving the problems based on the laws of exponents. So the first one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m plus n. And the second one is exponent of exponent, that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n equals to a to the power of mn. And the third one, a into b whole to the power of m equals to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. And next one is a to the power of minus n equals to 1 by a to the power of n. And then fifth one is a by b whole to the power of m equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. The sixth one, a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n if m is greater than n, or this equals to 1 by a to the power of n minus m if n is greater than m. And seventh one, a to the power of 0 equals to 1 for a is not equal to 0. And eighth one, 1 to the power of 1 raised to any power, 1 raised to any power equals to 1 itself. And ninth one, minus 1 whole to the power of odd equals to minus 1, and minus 1 whole to the power of even equals to 1. And 10th one, minus a whole to the power of n equals to minus a to the power of n if n is odd. So this equals to a to the power of n if n is even.